I'm going to walk you through how to enable My Domain in Salesforce. This is an essential step for customizing your Salesforce environment and ensuring a branded experience for your users. Enabling My Domain also allows you to manage authentication settings more effectively and improve security by restricting login domains. To get started, make your way to the Setup page. If you're new to Salesforce, you can find the Setup option in the upper right corner of your screen, usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're there, you'll see a Quick Find box on the left-hand side. This is your go-to tool for quickly navigating through Salesforce settings. In the Quick Find box, type My Domain. As you type, Salesforce will automatically start filtering the options for you. Click on My Domain once it appears in the list. Now that you're in the My Domain settings page, you'll see a section titled Choose Your Domain Name. This is where you get to create a custom subdomain that represents your organization. Think of it as the unique web address that users will see when they log into Salesforce. It's a small but significant way to ensure that your Salesforce environment reflects your brand identity. In the subdomain field, enter your desired string. For example, if your company is named Company XYZ, you might want to enter Company XYZ as your subdomain. This will create a domain that looks something like companyxyz.my.salesforce.com. After entering your preferred subdomain, it's time to check if it's available. Click on the Check Availability button to verify if your chosen subdomain is unique. Salesforce will search its database to ensure that no other organization is using the same subdomain. If the subdomain is already taken, don't worry, this is quite common. Simply try different variations or add some numbers or letters to make it unique. For instance, if Company XYZ is already in use, you could try Company XYZ1 or My Company XYZ. Once you find an available subdomain that suits your needs, you're ready to proceed. Salesforce will guide you through the next steps to finalize the setup and deploy your new domain. This will typically involve reviewing and accepting terms and conditions, and then clicking a button to register the domain. After registration, there may be a short waiting period while Salesforce processes your request. Once that's complete, you'll be able to start using your new My Domain. Enabling My Domain is a straightforward process, but it's also an important one that enhances the security and personalization of your Salesforce instance. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards a more secure and brand-aligned Salesforce experience for your organization. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Salesforce tutorials for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy Salesforce customizing!